Hey there folks, welcome back to the Camper Pod build. With the Camper Pod in a mobile state, we're starting to get down to the finer points and finishing off a few of those things that we never got a chance to finish yet, because pretty soon she's going to be hitting the pavement. You're probably asking, why am I showing you a piece of aluminum just hanging vertically? The reason being is that we need to stick a piece of aluminum up there just to pull in the corner. Well, anyway, we put it up there, some VHB tape. The VHB tape let go, and it was hanging by a bit of this frog tape that was just hanging from the ceiling. It's like, really? And then it just fell down. Anyway. Fridge cabinet before, fridge cabinet after. Ta-da! Need to do a couple of cuts here today for a floor for the wet room entryway sort of thing. Maybe a table top and maybe another strip that we need for some shelving. Bathroom floor complete. Now to drill a hole for the water. And we have baskets for the kitchen cabinets. And the tabletop mock-up. And the final table. We got this multi-adjustable and swivelable. That's even a word, so we can move this around to all different locations. And that's a wrap for this episode of the Camper Pod build. Got a lot of nitpicky things done today. Showed you mostly befores and afters, or just afters. But anyway, so be it. Getting closer to getting this baby on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.